Deputy Sheriff's Office. What's going on this morning?
Sorry, my English is not good. So I would just have fun with my husband and friends, and we just drive here to our house, and we just fight for his cheating. He's with a I don't know how to say it. He's with cheating on me.
Okay.
And we fight about that. And at one point he just take me and take my phone, they make his cars, and then he just throw me on the floor, and I just try to walk to the house, and I just say, give me my phone, I need to tell somebody, and he don't want to give me my phone, and we just fight again, and I just like, please give me my phone, and we just fight, At one point, he just like, I just walk, because I just say, give me your phone, I just call the police. And he's like, no, and you're drunk, and it's always my fault. It's always my fault. For one thing, it's always my fault. In the end, it's always my fault.
Okay.
And I just walk here to just try to call the police. And I just say the one guy in the he's my daughter, she's follow me, and I just try to follow me, and they're like, you drunk, mom? I'm always drunk, and I'm like, no, I'm not. You don't see nothing, because she's not with me. She don't see what we do it.
Yeah.
And I just want, It's not the first time.
Okay.
I just need peace in my life.
Did he hit you or anything tonight?
She just take me and throw me on the floor and like.
Kind of like threw you on the ground.
Because we was in the car, and he just stopped and he just hit the car and take me of the car and just leave me in the floor, but was just in the apartment where we live. So I just walked to the house and tried to call the police, but I don't have my phone because he had it.
Okay.
And I also always thought like, give me my phone. I just want to my family, my mom.
Does your mom? No, you're okay. Does your mom live in the area?
No, she's in Mexico.
Mexico? Okay.
I just want to go to somebody. I feel lonely. I'm so sorry.
Do you need a medic or go to the hospital or anything?
No.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Okay.
I just.
Do you want to have a back seat in the back seat of my car so you can sit down for a minute?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
I just want back to my home.
I got you. All right.
I'm so sorry.
This analysis examines the legal framework governing a domestic violence arrest in Montgomery County, Ohio. Ohio treats domestic violence differently from an ordinary misdemeanor. At common law, an officer could not make a warrantless misdemeanor arrest for an offense committed outside their presence. That in-presence rule would ordinarily bar an arrest by an officer who arrives only after the violence ends. Ohio Revised Code Section 293503 carves out an exception. When an officer has reasonable grounds to believe domestic violence occurred, the preferred course of action is arrest, even without a warrant and even when the officer did not witness the act.
Do you think he's still at the house?
I don't know.
Okay.
I just say my daughter, like, he probably still in the house because if it's gross if we just leave, you know?
Do you live with them?
Yeah.
Did you see what happened?
No, I woke, she came into my room crying, and I thought like they got in an accident or something. I was like, are you okay? Is everyone okay? She's like, no. And I was like, what happened? An accident? She said, no. And so then I was like, oh, okay, my car's gonna fight. And I was like, what happened? And she was like, oh, your dad. She just starts going
So this
off
is your
about-
dad?
Yeah.
Okay.
First she's talking about my dad.
Okay.
She just starts getting mad, and I'm like, okay. She did this before a few months ago, and like, she like woke up the next day and apologized to both of us because I guess she realized. I don't know. So that's why I was like just trying to calm her down because I was like, I don't want to make this a bigger deal than it is.
Did she call us?
No.
No.
She didn't have her phone, I think.
No, last time it happened though, she didn't call us.
Oh, no.
No? Okay.
No, last
All
time it happened, no, it didn't. I mean, it got bad, but she wasn't that desperate to call.
Okay.
I don't even think she wanted to call. I don't remember. Sorry. But she just starts going off, she starts crying and then yelling, and then I think she said that my dad hit her on the arm. I wasn't there, so I can't say if it happened or not, but I've never seen my dad do that type of stuff.
He
with
wasn't
her.
there tonight? Or he was asleep tonight?
It's just they were coming back from somewhere. So I
Okay.
guess like the main argument happened on the car ride back, I'm assuming.
Okay.
She walked in the house, woke me up, and this is where I'm telling you what I know.
Okay.
My dad stayed in the car because she started yelling like, I don't want to see him, I want to kill myself, like I don't want to see him. If he comes in, I'm calling the cops, I don't want to see him, like that.
All right. Where did the argument happen? In the car? Okay, so not at the house.
No.
Okay.
She,
Where was you guys at when it happened?
What?
Where was you at?
When this happened,
Yeah.
we just drive to Green Mall,
The what?
the green
The green. Okay.
area. He drives to a house, and we just find out the other.
So when did this happen? Your arm?
When you just arrive home.
It happened in front of the house?
No, in front. It's just apartments. We entered to the area,
Uh-huh.
and he just stopped, and he dropped me, and he just.
And okay.
It's because he always take care about Adora.
So it did
Don't see anything.
It did happen over there then.
Yeah, and we just when I arrive home, she don't see anything. I just tell like bring me. She's the name of my daughter. Bring me, give me
Is
the
he,
phone.
do you think he's home?
She wasn't home. Yeah,
All right.
and she.
Okay. We're going to give you guys a ride back, and then we're going to try and make contact with them before we do anything else, but we're going to transport you back. That way you guys are back there with us.
To the house.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't want to leave you guys here and then have to come back.
Yeah.
So we're going to transport you there. We'll leave you in the car while we try to make contact with them, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Are you not gonna question me or anything?
I already did. You said you didn't see none.
Well, that was just the first thing.
Huh?
That was just the first thing.
You saw something tonight? I asked you if you saw what happened tonight. You said no.
It's just that was the main argument. I'm telling you, she came back home and started arguing again with me. And then
Tonight?
Yeah.
Okay.
So she came home complaining about my dad, and then she wanted to leave, but I didn't want to let her drive because I know she's drunk. So then I grabbed her keys, and she started fighting me for the keys. But I was like, no, I'm not giving them to you. They're in my pants right now. She was fighting me for them. And then she was like, I want my phone, but I didn't want to give her her phone because I knew she would call you guys. I just wanted her to calm down. And then she would calm down, and then she'd start again, back and forth. Eventually, I just heard her leave outside, and that's when she started walking. And then I started freaking out. So I followed her, and my dad sees her from the car. He starts following us, and then they start arguing again. And back and forth, he's just trying to apologize, calm her down, like, please don't make this a bigger deal. She's heated. She
she started saying she hates both of us. She wanted me to go away, but I didn't want her to walk by herself. So I started following her from far away. She came here, and then I think she was trying to call for help. She went to McDonald's first and asked the lady, but I was like, I'm sorry, please ignore her.
Okay.
And so she did.
Well,
but yeah, I don't know.
but you didn't see none of the physical between them or nothing like that, right?
No, well, the thing,
Just arguing?
He was grabbing her, trying to stop her, like holding her back, and she would go, she would hit back and stuff.
This is when she was trying to walk away?
Yeah, and
Okay.
then she fell. But she fell.
Okay.
I don't know what she said.
All right.
I have some videos too,
You do that? Okay.
but they're in Spanish, so I don't.
Hi.
Somebody.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. We're obviously with the sheriff's office. We had a complaint from your wife.
Yeah, I know.
Is that your wife?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
She's really drunk, so I don't know what
Yeah.
happened. She didn't get too much.
Okay. Well, why don't you step out here with us so we can figure out what happened
Yeah.
tonight? Okay.
Yeah.
That's all right. You don't have no pocket knives or nothing like that on you,
No,
do
we
you?
have my wallet
Okay.
and my cell phone only.
All right. Do you mind if I just check you real quick?
Yeah,
Make
yeah.
sure you ain't got nothing on you.
I'll put
Just
it
turn
back
around.
there.
Right. Yeah, right there. All right, buddy.
Yeah.
Let's sit right here to the.
Yeah.
You want to talk to him here? Or? Okay.
So what happened tonight?
Yeah, I want to go to the El Green. I want to drink a little bit beer or something. And she's okay all day, so I don't know. You know, we work in the restaurant, and she told me to start to make a complaint. She said, you have another girlfriend and something like that. Hey, take it easy. We don't have anything. No, you had too many people. You had too many girls. And, hey, Christina, we don't have anything. People, we're working all day. And she really, she's drinking. She started more excited. And when I talked to, like, hey, Christina, take it easy. I want to go home and stay here. And when she told me, no, I want to call to police. Why? No, you had too many girlfriends, and you had too many girls, and something problem with you. And she want to go, we not drive, and want to parking over there. And then she go back, and she told me, like, give me my phone, give me my phone. So we had the phone, and we had the car. No, give me my phone, give me my phone. And she come into room, and we come in the home, and when I leaving, so we not like too many problems, you know. When I leave, and when I parking over there, and my daughter, she told me, hey, what happened with Mama? I don't know, she's really drunk. And she told me, hey, she got really angry for you, and we had a lot of problem with you. Why? I don't know. She told me she needed the phone, we needed to call to the police, and why? I don't know. She told me we had some trouble, we had too many ladies, and so I don't know. We stayed over there, we parked in my truck, and we stayed over there, and she walked, and she leaving over there, and Christina, I want to fix tomorrow, you know, when you're drunk, I drink a little bit, so it's not a good deal to fix right now. I want to fix tomorrow. You want to think, I want to leave in. So you stay home, and I want to leave. My daughter, she's here, so I want to leave. No, I want to call the police. So, I don't know. We talked to my daughter, and she said, what happened? I don't know. She's drunk. That one is the second time in 2 months. So
Okay.
I don't know. Probably, you know, she think we had another girlfriends in different cities and different states. So I don't know what happened with her. We had text. I want to call 2 in the morning. We say, Christina, I want to go to dinner. Okay, I want to go. And we pick it up for Christina. I want to go to the restaurant. I want to stay with my friends and everything. And probably she drink it too much. I don't know what happened. So I never touched. I never anything. You know, we living with this 22 years. So I never touched. And she told me, I want to call the police. You had too many girlfriends, and we needed something. And
So is that why she wanted to call the police, because you've got too many girlfriends?
yeah, she told me that one. The problem we told me that one. You know, we work in the restaurant, and she told me, you got another girlfriend in the restaurant. We don't have anybody. We work all day. We pay the rent. We pay the car. We pay the everything, bills and everything. So I think the problem we know, we work in the restaurant. Sometimes we come in like, we close 10. So we come in 11, 11:30.
What restaurant?
El Toro,
Okay.
the Spring Bottle.
Okay. An exact
Yeah,
floor.
I'm the manager there. So sometimes we come in like 11, 11:30. She told me, why come in 11:30? You close 10. We have customers. We have, you know, we need,
Yeah, clean
we don't
up
leave it
and-
like 10 o'clock. So
Wish you could.
yeah, yeah, you know. So when I talked to the lady, we said, I know, you know, we living together 20 years, so probably it's broken my marriage, so we then, so we told tomorrow I gotta fix. You need to go to living, I gotta leave, no problem. So you stay home, my daughter and you stay, my pets, I gotta leave. So, you know. So we told you tonight, we have alcohol, you drink and drink a little bit, so it's no good deal to fix right now the problem. So I want to leave in, I want to go to hotel, you stay home. No, I want to go to call to police. My daughter, she talked to the lady, say, hey, man, take it easy, man. I want to fix tomorrow. No, I want to go to police. So I don't know what happened. So probably she, you know, she think we had another girlfriend. So we didn't have anybody more. So I don't know, probably, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. So we talked to the lady when I want to.
On James Hospital checkup.
Yeah, I want to leave. I want to go to other hotel or something like that. So my daughter, she told me, you stay home. She called to the police and you stay home and you got to fix. I don't do anything, you know. We stay, when I want to leave or when I go to other states, so I don't do anything. I want to talk to my wife, my daughter. She said, Brittany, you want to call the police? You call the police and you talk to what happened. So I never touched. I never did anything. Brittany told me, we had the keys, your truck keys, he's broken. This is my truck. This is my keys, it's not his car, she's car. This is my keys, so this is for my car. So I don't know. She really, you know, she's really drunk. You see that one?
Yeah.
You see, she's really drunk. I drink a little bit, so not too much. So when I see she drink a lot, he say, okay, I can get away. So, you know, two people, a lot of drunk is really. So I can wait, I don't drink anymore, and we come in and we talk to a little bit. We say, Christina, I want to fix tomorrow, you know. We have alcohol, it's no good deal to fix right now. Ah, you having a girlfriend, and somebody told me you had too many girls, and we don't have anybody. I told you, no, you had the text. Take my phone, this is my phone, check it out. Ah, you have too many girlfriends, somebody told me, okay. Check out my phone, check out my job, and check out the camera. We have cameras in the restaurant. Ah, you have another girlfriend. Okay. And she coming to the home. I don't know, you stay over there in my car, so I don't know what happened here in the home. And my daughter, she told me she had too many, I don't know what it's called, like, he's speaking too high here in the home. And she's leaving to walk. And when I talk to over there in the corner, Christina, come in, go home, go to sleep. I gotta fix tomorrow. When I want to leave, you want to stay home? I want to leave. You know, I want to leave. You stay home and no, I want to call the police. Christina, this is a really big problem. You want to call the police. I want to talk to you. I want to. So we need to fix you and me.
Yeah, do it in the morning. Once
Yeah, you know the morning is better, man. You have alcohol and you know it's not easy to fix the problem.
County 12, are you clear?
All right, well, I'll be right back with you, okay? So you can handle this stuff.
Sounds like a big mess.
Yeah, I know, man. It's really, it's 5 o'clock. We won't work tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tonight, so. Yeah, that one is the second time. The first time, like 2 months ago, we told me the same. When I drink it too much, he said angry. Ah, what happened? What is that? Hey, Christina, I think it is. So, I don't know why. So, you know.
Mm-hmm.
The last time, back in the day, she told me the same. I want to call the police. Why? You having too many girls and so sometimes, you know, we live in too many time with it. And people, I think we need to look in another person or I don't know. So we living here in Ohio 22 years. We don't have any problems. So I don't like a problem with the police. I don't like a problem with anybody. So, and she told me, oh, you have too many girls and you have another wife. And we start to work 10 and we leave in 10 at night, so we don't have time.
Yeah, you can stay right there for a second. How did you get this bruise?
He just take me for the car and just throw me in the floor.
Okay.
It just what here in the just enter. You know, it's the enter right there on the another side. He just stopped and he's like, get out of my car, and he just take me.
Okay. Okay. All right, I'll be right back with you.
How long have you guys lived here?
Pardon me?
How long have you lived here?
Almost 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and
They look like nice apartments.
yeah, it's really nice. Over here, it's really nice. Yeah, we had the messenger. I want to buy home. So we had the messenger. She told me, hey, we have a new home. We should watch the home and everything. Look at it. So I think she's drunk. I don't know what happened, man. So she's my wife. Look at this. She's Christina. And she's told me, look at this. Here in the family. Family is over here. She told me the many house today. Hey, we had to see this home. We saw that one. We told me the picture and everything. I tried to buy the new home. So I don't know what happened. We watched tonight and said, what's going on? We told me I want to buy house.
Yeah. All right, step over here with us real quick.
Yeah.
She's got this bruise. How does she get this bruise on her?
What?
On her left
I
shoulder.
don't know.
Clinics are out. I will.
So I never touched or anything. So
Okay.
you know, she coming to me. We had like person there. I don't know what to say. Like, you know.
Okay, I got you.
So
All
I
right.
never touched. Pardon me? Over here?
Here's a set of mine.
All right, here's the deal, all right? You are being placed under arrest for domestic violence tonight, okay?
Okay. So
All right.
I'm not doing anything, so it's okay.
If she says you did something, and she's got,
Yeah, so when I told you when I take a messenger, you want to text me today, I want to go to buy house. So she called me today, and when I see this house,
Set of mine that way. I still got to sit. You got to sit.
you know, this
Okay.
today.
You know what I mean?
So when I go, I want to leave to my home, I want to see, and I want to go to a hotel or something
well,
like that.
this may be the predicate of you not getting along with her and just going.
Yeah,
going another
you
way.
wanna,
Turn around for me here.
And just going another way. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
just, we're trying to put 2 pairs on you, all right? So just,
Yeah, so you know, we try. I never.
Just
we
get that
live
wash
in
off so you don't
22
bust
years
it.
with it.
Is that your daughter?
Yeah, she's my daughter.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to live in 22 years for.
Substantive offense is defined in Ohio Revised Code Section 2919.25. It prohibits knowingly causing or attempting to cause physical harm to a family or household member. A spouse plainly qualifies. Knowingly defined in Section 2901.22 means the person was aware their conduct would probably cause that result. The constitutional threshold for any warrantless arrest is probable cause. The Supreme Court set that standard in Beck versus Ohio. The facts known to the officer must warrant a reasonable person in believing an offense has been committed. That standard turns on 3 converging elements: a complainant's account, a visible injury consistent with that account, and partial corroboration from a third party. Together they clear the probable cause bar. Individually, none would. Ohio statute adds a critical instruction: identify the primary physical aggressor. This rule exists to prevent dual arrests where both parties claim harm. The officer must weigh the comparative severity of injuries, the history between the parties, the likelihood of future harm, and whether either person acted in self-defense. A mixed account, suggesting both people were physical, does not defeat an arrest. It triggers this exact analysis. Location also matters constitutionally. Under Payton v. New York, a warrantless arrest inside a home requires a warrant, consent, or exigent circumstances. Because this seizure occurred outside the residence, Payton's protections are not implicated. 2 evidentiary doctrines apply to the search and the questioning. A protective frisk under Terry v. Ohio requires reasonable suspicion of danger. That analysis is unnecessary when the subject consents. Under Schneckloth v. Bustamonte, voluntary consent is an independent and sufficient basis for a search. Warnings under Miranda v. Arizona attach only to custodial interrogation. Pre-arrest field questioning is non-custodial, so no advisement is required at that stage. Force is governed by Graham versus Connor, judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene. Where an arrest involves only routine handcuffing, there is no meaningful force to scrutinize, and the reasonableness standard is easily met. A distinct legal exposure deserves attention. Deliberately withholding a partner's phone to prevent a call to police can constitute a separate offense, and is a recognized hallmark of coercive control independent of the underlying assault. One frequently misunderstood point also deserves emphasis. A domestic violence charge belongs to the state, not the victim. The decision to prosecute rests with the prosecutor. A victim's signature or cooperation strengthens a case, but charges may proceed without them. On-scene statements made under stress may also survive at trial as excited utterances under the rules of evidence, reducing a prosecution's dependence on a later reluctant complainant.
I don't know what happened.
You guys have figured it out.
I'm fine.
Right? You're the one's going to have to figure it out. I mean,
Yeah, I mean,
nobody.
All right, if you ladies want to go ahead and step out for me. And I'll get to that other side for you. He wanted to give you his wallet and keys. Okay?
Where is he?
He's going to be going to jail tonight.
Oh, okay.
So
Tomorrow?
once she steps over, I'll let you guys know what's going on. I probably hit the key button. So right now he's going to be going to jail for domestic violence. He's going to be going to the Montgomery County Jail downtown. He is going to have a bond. Once he gets booked in, he can give you guys a call and you guys can figure out the bond information, okay?
Can I talk to him right now?
Give me 1 second. So for you, do you want to sign charges for domestic violence?
Jefferson 111,
Yes,
County
and then,
112, check up.
¿Qué quieres?
Basically, does she want to press charges?
¿Qué es como? No sé cómo se dice charges en español. Como
Meter cargos por
meter
violencia.
cargos, sí, así que meter cargos.
You know, I don't want anything from him.
Okay, so no. Okay, so being that's a domestic violence by law, it still we have to sign for it. So let me get some paperwork, and we'll work on that real quick. The only thing that's going to happen is I'm going to have another deputy come out who's just going to take a picture of this bruise, okay? That's all he's going to do. If you guys want to go inside, I can meet you with all the paperwork, okay?
Can I see him or no?
They're in that back car right now. They're going to go ahead and go. That way they can get him down there and booked in as soon as possible. That way they can get him to court as soon as possible.
Will I be able to see him?
Yep. So,
Go ahead.
if you guys want to go inside, I'll meet you over there.
On the grading, the deputies merit an A-. The arrest was lawful and evidence-based, consent was properly obtained, injury was documented, and the primary aggressor rule was correctly applied. The single deduction is the absence of an interpreter, where a key party's limited English statement formed the evidentiary core. The department's policy framework earns a B+, strong on preferred arrest but weak on language access. Conduct grades for the private parties are reserved against the presumption of innocence, which remains intact until a court rules. 3 lessons emerge. First, in domestic cases, physical corroboration converts a contested account into probable cause. Document every visible injury at the scene. Second, the primary aggressor rule is not optional. Conflicting statements demand comparison, never a double arrest by default. Third, language access is a legal vulnerability, not a courtesy. An arrest built on a statement taken without interpretation invites a later challenge. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. If you found this analysis useful, consider subscribing for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.